What's up, guys? My name's Danny, aka Thrift Fish, and I'm an online fashion reseller. I sell on Poshmark, eBay, and Mercari. And today we're here with another little haul. This is going to be my latest online sourcing haul. Both of these boxes that I got have 5 items in them each, and I sourced them from Poshmark. One is a mystery reseller box, and the other is just a bundle of items that I put together from somebody's closet. And since we are in the COVID-19 crisis, I am only sourcing online at the moment, and I have targeted my sites on Poshmark recently, so I just wanted to show you guys what I got. Yeah, that's pretty much it. So hope you guys are staying safe and healthy and having a good day. Let's jump into what I got. Gonna be a quick video today, but I figured why not. So the first is going to be from the mystery box I ordered, and this is from Dripping in Stars. It's from her closet. She had put up a couple mystery boxes the other day. So let's get into it. First, this is a Flynn Sky, which I think is sold on Revolve, but it's a Flynn Sky, just really lightweight, long sleeve romper. It has a nice like boho patchwork kind of print to it. So that's item number 1. Number 2 is a pretty basic but fun bright print jersey dress from 10C Derek Lamb. So just a nice little lightweight spring dress. Next is, this is an Eileen Fisher Petite velvet mini dress. The size tag is cut off, but that's okay. I will just do measurements and include the estimated size in the listing. If I don't have a size tag, I just measure it. I put in the size that I think is closest to those measurements, and then I add to the listing description that the size tag was cut out. Please see the measurements for fit. So Eileen Fisher, I like to sell Eileen Fisher, especially newer pieces with, you know, fun materials like silk, velvet. This actually, let me look at this. Yeah, so there is a little bit of silk in this one as well, so I enjoy that. Next is a pair of Aritzia Babaton, like kind of a straight or wider leg career pant. They are size 4, in great condition. So I like to sell Babaton, Aritzia brands. Some don't go for as much as others, but I have found that Babaton is pretty good. And last piece in this 5-piece mystery reseller box was this lovely little kind of like t-shirt, maxi, just comfy dress from Thaskin's Theory, which is Theory, but I think fancier. Again, I still don't remember why, but I think it's fancier than just regular Theory. It's a size medium. It's a nice color for spring. I love that. This is all stuff I would most likely pick up in the thrift store if I was there. I'm trying to find a material tag, but I don't see one. Maybe it's up further in the dress. This one is cotton and modal, so nice and comfortable. Alright, so that is it for box number 1. Box number 2, these are just things I ordered off from a Poshmark closet. I have been ordering a couple bundles from this person. So, like I said, if you find a closet with a bunch of great deals, make a relationship with that person because you might be able to repeat source from them. I will say one downside about online sourcing is I'm able to find even less plus size than I typically would normally. Whatever. So I get a lot of smaller sizes, a lot of extra smalls, a lot of zeros, a lot of smalls, which is fine, but I really like to have a varied closet, so I am struggling with that. I would like to set my sights on more larger size and plus size items. Unfortunately, this is not one of them, but it is Diane Von Furstenburg, size 0. Just a really pretty, like, camel tan, well-constructed career dress. It's got the little slit in the back. So this is very pretty, and I definitely got it at a good price. Keep your eye out for deals. This is a Madewell, like, kind of knit woven jacket, zip-up jacket. It's like a little bomber, casual little bomber. It's a wool blend, so this is really cute. I really like this. I'm excited to list it. Here's Babaton again. Made in Japan, size medium, just little drawstring shorts, but nice and flowy, great for spring and summer. Something you would probably see me wearing, but I'm going to sell it. So, actually I'm going to save this one. Next is an All Saints dress. It's a size 4. And it's kind of like sheer or see-through. It's like perforated a little bit, knit, just kind of like a straight little midi dress, sleeveless. Really, again, a nice piece for spring. And I actually ordered a bundle previously from the same person, and they had misplaced an item. They had it, but they just need a little extra time, so they ended up sending it with this bundle rather than the one I ordered it in, and they also threw in a new with tags, Free People bralette for the inconvenience, which I was not upset with. So I just waited for the extra piece, and they threw in this cute little new with tags Free People bralette, so I'm not mad about that. I love selling bras, especially new with tags Free People bras. I'm not mad. And then the last piece, this is the piece I was waiting on, was this Free People dress. Hold on, I have to get it all figured out. Okay, yeah, so it's kind of like a wrap silhouette, but it's got these buttons down the side, if you can see. So it's hard to see just like without it being on a person. I'll probably have to use a stock photo for this one. Shh, don't tell anyone. Just because it won't look great hanging up. But it is new with tags. Still got the little button attached. And I think this one was for Revolve, if I'm not mistaken. That's how she had it advertised in her closet. So that is everything I got from my mystery box and my Poshmark order. Let me know what your favorite piece was in the comments, and tell me how you're doing. Just fill me in. I want to know. If you like this video, go ahead and give it the thumbs up. And if you like this content and want to see more from me, go ahead and click subscribe. Thank you so much for being here, and I'll see you again real soon.